Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how we can easily block internet access to specific applications on your Windows laptop or PC. So in order to begin, if the first thing you can do is to make go to your firewall settings and do that. So that is a lengthy step, so I'm going to show you a shortcut to that. I will just show you how we can download a simple app which can just block internet access to certain applications. So what you have to do is open your browser and type in simple wall and type search. And now we can see the second option here. We'll just see if there's a better website. Yeah, see, we can see this one, simplewall.org. You have to go into that website. And now we'll click on download for Windows. Okay, so this one works for 11, 10, 8, and 7 Windows versions. So I'll click on download again. Now it will start the download. So once the download is completed, what you'll have to do is open the application. I'll just go and open the file and right click and then just click on extract all. Now I'll click on extract. And now we can see a setup file. If you open the file and click on run, you can see the installer pops up. You'll have to click on next and click on I accept the terms and license agreements, and click on next again. And just you have to type in choose the installation folder. It's just an application with just 2 MB, so it's not going to cause any issues for you. So click on next, and now I'll click on install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do the installation. So once the installation is complete, you can just open the application right here. So once the application is open, you can see it has like uh, all the applications here. So first of all, if you are new to this application, it won't have any of these applications. So when you just open an application, it will just ask you to allow the internet access or decline. So you can do it according to what you want. So if you just open an application or game and you don't want internet access to that, the symbol bar window will pop up which shows if you want to allow the application to have internet or not. So we can just click on block if you don't want the application to access the internet. So that's how you can easily block internet access to applications. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.